Stop avoiding Section 8. 4 myths exposed. Thinking Section 8 is too hard or not worth it? I've invested with vouchers for 20 years. I hear the same 4 myths over and over. Let's bust them fast. Here is the first one exposed. Myth 1. PHAs are a nightmare. Reality. They're a bureaucracy, yes, but they're people first. I learn names. I say thank you. I bring complete paperwork the first time. Be the bright spot in their day, and doors open faster than you'd expect. Myth 2. Voucher holders will trash your place. Reality. Bad tenants exist everywhere. The answer is great screening. I look for Tier 1 voucher holders. Clean histories, responsive communication, solid references. Provide a safe, clean home with respect. You'll often see pride of rentership and long stays. Myth 3. Section 8. Tenants don't work. Reality. A voucher just means someone qualifies under income guidelines. Many hold steady jobs. Some are rebuilding. A few aren't a fit. Same as the market. Treat every applicant as an individual and verify. Don't stereotype. Myth 4. If you accept Section 8, you must accept everyone. Reality. You still screen, legally and consistently. Credit checks, landlord references, income verification, in-person interviews, current home checks when allowed and with notice. Here's the upside nobody talks about. Stable rent flows, long-term tenants, fewer turnovers. If you run a tight process, build relationships with your PHA, set clear standards, communicate often, document everything. Section 8 isn't a shortcut, it's a system. Master it, and it can become a reliable pillar of your portfolio. If this helped, hit like, and I'll share my screening checklist next.